Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to make a hyper realistic portrait. Please stay till end to watch every small technicality involved in drawing this portrait. For drawing this entire portrait I am going to use basically 8B pencil. As you can see, I have drawn the basic outline beforehand to shorten the length of the video. Now I am applying the first layer of the shading of the face by using 8B pencil. This is the first layer of shading. Several layers have to be applied to make it complete. It's all about watching the light and shading from the reference picture, so you have to be very patient while drawing such kind of portrait. After putting first layer, I have used brush to blend the graphite all over the face, and this is the second layer of shading to darken the values. If you can watch carefully, I am putting small dots all over the face to draw the skin pores. Now I am shading the lips. Now I am using Tombow Mono eraser to highlight the small skin pores of the face. And once more I am using 8B pencil. Now I am shading the woolen cap of the head. Please observe carefully. The main challenging part is shading the fabric. And to get the proper value, you have to be very patient. You can see shading of the fabric is complete. It took me around 1.5 hours to complete the whole fabric shading. Now I am shading the ear. Now I am moving towards neck. Now I am shading the accessories of the neck. Now giving the final touches of the eyes. My portrait is complete. If you like my work, please like this video and subscribe my channel if you are new in this channel for watching more such videos. Thanks for watching.